Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get infinite money in Farming Simulator with mod. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, first things, as you can see, I have only 100,000, and in order to get more, we need some generators. Which mod we actually need is... it's gonna be here on farmingsimulator.com. You go to mods and you're gonna find government subsidy. So this is the one which you need. As you can see, you're gonna get some money from this. You want to go ahead and download it. Once you will download that mod, you want to go to your documents, right there, go to My Games, Farming Simulator, and Mods, and you want to go ahead and upload it here. So now once you have uploaded that mod and you went to downloadable content and chose that generator right there, I already installed it. You want to go back now, and once you will launch your games, once you launch it, as you can see, there are some mods. So you need to select it and just go ahead and start the game. So now in order to earn infinite money, you want to click P, then construction, then go to production, production and generators, and then you will see government subsidy. So this is the one. As you can see, that's how much you can get. So once you now click on it and add it, and as much as you will add, you will see that you will start earning money. And also I have sped up the game so it would earn money quicker. So that's basically how it works. You can get, I believe, 900 billion. So to speed up, of course, you're gonna go to your game settings and you're gonna scale up the time basically. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you earn infinite money on Farming Simulator. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.